Today is the day I am setting our dining room up for Christmas. I'm so excited. We're hosting Christmas this year. And of course, I had to get all my decorations from eFavorMart, which is my favorite place to get all kinds of decor and party supplies for everything from first birthdays to holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. eFavorMart is amazing because they cut out the middleman and they sell at wholesale prices. So they have a lot of really beautiful options that are also very affordable. It helps me make all of my Pinterest-worthy holiday dreams come true, and I'm so excited to switch everything out for Christmas. I thought I would start with a little haul and show you what I got. The first thing is this beautiful gold staggered taper candle holder. I think this is going to be so beautiful, and that is going to go along with the giant 7.5-foot backdrop that I got. So this is really cool because it's collapsible. It came in a fairly small box considering how big it is, and you can really easily assemble it. You don't even need any tools. And then when you're done, you can pack it back up into the smaller box. So I am going to use this beautiful green velvet cover. I have a box of string lights and some really pretty maroon drapey gauze, and I'm gonna use that to make like a holiday backdrop station. So anybody who comes to our house for the holidays can take a cute little Christmas family picture in front of the backdrop. I think it's gonna be so cute. And then of course the star of the show is going to be the Christmas table, and I have been brainstorming this all year, and I'm so excited that I was able to get everything I needed for it in one place at eFavorMart. I didn't have to go to a separate place for the plates and the decor and the flowers. So I got these really pretty green plates. I love the beaded detailing on these. I also got some really pretty garland to drape across the table for that Christmas greenery vibe. A couple of packs of pine cones and bark. I'm going for a very woodsy, rustic feel, but still elevated. A green table runner. I'm gonna keep on this beautiful taupe tablecloth that I had on for our fall setup. Some beautiful faux red roses. And I even got these really pretty velvety chair accessories. So I'm really excited to put this all together, see how it comes out. I think it is going to be a magic Christmas wonderland. The first thing here is gonna be clearing our beautiful eFavorMart fall tablescape. And now we have a nice clean slate. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited for Christmas now. I didn't even realize that these lights right here have so many beautiful settings. So I put them on this slow glow one. I don't even think you're ready for the finished product. This is so cool. I cannot believe that I did this. This looks like something off of Pinterest. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Click the link to shop the best Christmas decorations of the season from eFavorMart.